This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 101 of building Kitt from Knight Rider. Let's have a look. We'll look through the magazine first, obviously. Killer Kitt. Did he go evil? What's wrong with you today, Kitt? Evil Kitt. Oh. Still no memory of that. It's very strange. Where are we? This is 1987. Yeah, I don't know. I would have seen it. I've seen all of them, but I'm going to have to go back and watch them all again. I did start on the first season. Just so many things to watch. It's difficult. So, yeah, there we go. Read all about that if you'd like. So, we're not actually fitting the bumper to the car. What we're doing is fitting the indicators. The rear indicator lights. Let's say rear. Yeah, they're not actually on the back, but they're on the sides. So that's all we're doing with that. Putting those on there, getting good to go. Coming close to the end of the build, but we're not there yet. Electronic anti-theft system. I don't know. Do you need an anti-theft system when it's sentient? I'm not entirely certain. Anyway, let's clear this out of the way and let's get these indicators installed. Okay, today's parts. I've got the screws out the bags already. We've got two red pieces and two shiny pieces, and they are being fitted to, bringing it back in again, the back of the main chassis. So yeah, this is going to be the fun bit, try and manipulate everything without all the windows and doors opening and the hood and everything coming all over the place. So the red bit goes in first and obviously pops through a bit like that. That will come out the front, and then the shiny bit goes over it like that. I can't see from here. Can't see which way round it's going to go. I'm going to have to maneuver it and just look and open the door, open the boot. I can see through there a little bit more. Yeah, no, I can't tell from here which way around that's got to go. So I shall get that on. I'll get the other one on, and we'll see what they're going to look like. But it's going to look basically like a bit like that, isn't it? Because I've not got it lined up properly. Right, I'll get it done, and I'll show you what it looks like. Won't be a moment. Okay, there you go. That's both of those installed. Nice. They just fill the gap and makes it look quite cool on there. The other one, obviously, on the other side, exactly the same. And that is that. That's another issue completed. One more to go in this delivery, and it's one where we don't need anything else. I think we're dealing with what we've got delivered. So I shall leave this. Well, I'll move this out the way so we're not falling over it, and get ready for the next part. So I shall see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.